What's up, guys? This is Jade with Harley Davidson of Washington, D.C. at Progressive International Motorcycle Show, and you're watching Bangin Gears.
Hi, I'm Roy Chamberlin from CNC Cycle here in Maryland. This is the bike that I built for my wife back in '06. It's an '04 Ultra Classic that we bought from the insurance company that was wrecked. This is the third bike that I've built for her. Took the stock tank and I stretched that, made a dash out of aluminum, welded in a real pop-up cap into the door. We made some little mirror mounts. We Frenched in our turn signals in the front and in the back so you don't see them till they come on. Flared the side covers. I stretched the stock bags. Took a FBI fender and stretched it and filled in the top. Made a seat pan out of steel and had our buddy John Longo make a stitching for it. Zippers did a 103 hot rod kit on it with a 50mm throttle body. Chromeworks exhaust and modified that to go underneath to clear the tank. Have the purse lower legs on it. 18-inch wheels front and back with a 140/17 front and a 200 rear. Dakota digital gauges, which you can change the background and the needle colors to match the paint. Can't think of anything else that we did to it.